Then you're going to take this piece here, you can see the matching different patterns, and put them in there. And then you will take the shorter piece here and use that to tighten the two. These are all adjustable as well, so if you want to make a change, just loosen it, and then you can pull that out enough to make your changes and retighten it the way you'd like it to be. Once you've got that, come along here to this side. Make sure you do this part last because this is going to give you more room than this one will. Make sure you've got all of your washers on. And install this piece here. And as you can see, there's a little more space because of this one being smaller, so you just fit that right in there. Okay, once that's all put together, you can add the actual GoPro. Then you take the longer piece and insert that through this hole here and apply that tighten. Now this is all adjustable, so you can adjust it as needed. And tighten it all up when you're done. So once you have everything assembled, you just bring it to any bar on the razor. Anywhere that can hold the clamp here will be able to work well. So we're just going to put it right here. But you could easily put it on the top bar and aim it somewhere else. You could even put it closer to the front, whatever your specific riding wishes are for your GoPro. You can customize where you place it. Just get that good and tight there. And this is all very adjustable, so you can adjust it to how you want. Just make sure that it's as tight as possible so that there is no wiggling whilst you ride. And then you can adjust all of the loose things. Make sure that it's good and tight, and come through along all of these joints and just make sure that you've got them as tight as you can get them, and that will help it not wiggle too much while you're riding. So we've got it located here, but all of the bar along here, and then this top bar can also totally be used anywhere you want to place it, even along the side to get the trail that you're on or the side that you're passing. You can do whatever you want. It's completely universal and customizable. However you want to place it, you can place it.